Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robinhood for day trading. First, familiarize yourself with the pattern day trader rule, which applies if you make 4 or more day trades in 5 business days in a margin account. To avoid restrictions, maintain at least $25,000 in your account. Robinhood provides commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs, and you can access market data within the app. This foundational knowledge is key to getting started effectively. To begin, you'll need to open a Robinhood brokerage account, providing your personal details. Next, link your bank account to facilitate deposits. Robinhood allows bank transfers, which can take up to 5 business days, though instant deposits may be available for some funds. Remember, to freely engage in day trading without restrictions, it's crucial to fund your account with a minimum of $25,000. When executing trades, you have options. Market orders aim for immediate execution at the best available price, while limit orders let you specify a maximum buy or minimum sell price. To manage risk, consider using stop-loss orders, which trigger a market order to sell if a stock drops to a certain price. Diversifying your portfolio is also essential to spread risk across different investments. For more advanced day trading, always conduct thorough research on companies before investing. It's wise to start with smaller positions to build experience and confidence without taking on excessive risk. Crucially, develop a clear trading strategy that outlines your entry and exit points and commit to following that plan. This discipline is vital for long-term success in day trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.